Hi, I'm David Bethune, and this is the Apple iPhone 3G. Most people would argue that the iPhone 3G is quite possibly the best mobile phone in the world. Is it? Watch our video review to find out. After years since iPhone's debut, the iPhone 3G has finally arrived, badder, better, and cheaper than before. Starting at $199, the new iPhone 3G offers improved data speeds with, you guessed it, 3G technology, combined with a slew of new features that explains why 1 million units were sold in its weekend debut. Like the original, the iPhone 3G's 3.5-inch widescreen multi-touch display is sharp and vibrant. All the physical keys including volume, ring silent, home, sleep, wake are still present. Some other aesthetic improvements include a 3.5mm stereo headphone mini jack, so normal headphones are now compatible, and a rear cover that comes in a glossy black or white finish. Available in 8GB and 16GB capabilities, the iPhone 3G comes with a multitude of welcomed improvements over its predecessor. Lighter and slimmer than before, the 3G iPhone weighs a mere 47 ounces, a welcome size that easily fits inside your jean pocket.
Quality from the iPhone 3G is noticeably improved, and the speaker volume is thankfully louder than the original iPhone. The quality was also good, as most of the people we called on speakerphones were impressed with the voice quality and clarity. When using the original iPhone, they had difficulty hearing or would complain that it was breaking up.
AT&T needs a lot of work to improve and broaden their service. The majority of our calls were 3G enabled, although depending on an area, the iPhone 3G would revert to the Edge network if 3G service is not available. With 3G speeds, expect a faster internet browsing and faster email transmissions. Loading my favorite websites was noticeably snappier than what was offered from the original iPhone. We estimate 2.5 to 3.5 times faster. Receiving and sending emails is also much faster and feels as if we were connected to a broadband connection. Also new is what Apple dubs assisted GPS. Leveraging Google Maps, you can now navigate to a destination with more precision and GPS-like guidance. What does GPS-like guidance mean? You will be able to see yourself represented as a dot within Google Maps, and it will track you as you move. This is a welcome new feature that may eliminate the need to buy an automobile GPS and rely solely on the iPhone for navigation. But don't confuse this feature with a full-fledged GPS device. Most navigation built for cars offers a turn-by-turn instructions and voice guidance, something Apple claims will soon be available for the iPhone 3G. The 2-megapixel camera retains the same quality, but still no video camcorder. Typing on the on-screen keyboard is no different from the original iPhone. Internet browsing has optional horizontal positioning using the accelerometer. As one might suspect, the iPhone 3G consumes more battery power than the original, so as a result, it drains noticeably faster. In my test, the battery life drained down to 2% after an average workday with average use. Overall, the iPhone is a great phone. However, there are some shortcomings. Besides not having a replaceable battery, lack of a camcorder, and not having the option to type SMS horizontally, we would have liked to see Bluetooth 2.0 stereo feature as well. Also, we would have liked to see the haptic touchscreen that provides tactile feedback when touched, similar to the Samsung Instinct, Samsung Glide, and LG View. Still, the iPhone 3G possesses powerful new features, including the easy-to-use and elegant user interface that illustrates Apple's commanding lead in software design. Other makers like Nokia, Motorola, LG, and Samsung will not be able to compete in this spectrum unless they utilize Windows Mobile or the upcoming Google OS. The Samsung Instinct is probably the closest thing to the iPhone 3G in terms of features, but it's not an iPhone 3G. New users, we strongly recommend this phone if you want an easy-to-use touchscreen smartphone. For first-gen iPhone users, upgrade if you notice poor voice quality or if you're frustrated by its edge internet speeds. This is David Bethune, and thanks for watching Logic TV.